Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, hello miss, or hello everyone. My name is Wulan Agustia Ningrum and I'm from English Education Department, Class C and Class of 22. So in this video, I will make a short procedure video or like tutorial video about how to make a fried rice. Easy, simple, and of course delicious. You guys should try this menu or recipe from me. Yeah, I think that's not me who cook fried rice like this, but also everyone could make it, and also you who watching this video should recook. Okay, let's begin to the tutorial. So as the topic I will talk, we need fried rice. I suggest you to use a bowl of rice because it will eaten by yourself, so get enough of it. And then remember to use a cold rice because cold rice will taste very good if you cook into a fried rice. I very do not recommend to use a warm rice because it will stinky and will damage into your pan that the fried rice will not taste very good. And then beside you providing rice, you need to cut the vegetable. I often use carrot or broccoli or vegetable that you like. Okay, don't force yourself to use the vegetable that I said before because it might be you don't like that such a vegetables. Oh, don't forget to use sausage because sausage will give the very taste for our fried rice. Oh, I mean your fried rice because you're gonna cook it, right? Okay guys, I forgot to tell you, you have to cut onion or garlic, but I recommend to use both of them because if the two things combine, it will very good. Okay, and if you are spicy lover or hot lover, you can also add some chili. Cut chili and add cut onion or garlic, and then ready. We provide the pan with an oil on top of it, and don't forget to turn on the fire. We use the high heat. Okay, and then after the oil is already hot, we can put that garlic or onion and we stir until it smells very nice. Okay, after the garlic, the onion and the chili was going to be brown, you need to add the rice and then mix it until it's mixed it up with a good combination. And then don't forget to add some sauce like soy sauce or ketchup. Like if you are a spicy eater, you can add ketchup. And then you mix it up until it make it like nice fried rice. You put the vegetable and the sausage and mix after it mixed well, and then wait like 3 minutes or 5 minutes until it mixed well. And then don't forget, the important thing is crush the egg and make it like sunny side up. I really like sunny side up egg. If you prefer to like omelette, you can also make an omelette to accompany your fried rice. Okay, that's very important. Don't forget to add egg. Okay, that's a tutorial from me. Hope you like it, and bye bye.